In this video, just we'll know about the difference between HTTP and HTTPS. For your website and for the ranking factor, normally this HTTPS it matters, right? So HTTP, that means Hypertext Transfer Protocol, right? And S, that means secure. So that means by taking SSL certificate, you are providing extra security to your website. So somewhere it build trust on your website visitors as well. And Google bots, they also look on this secured site as well, right? So this HTTPS, it matters for the smaller ranking factor. So from our side, we'll have to make our website perfect in all the manner. And as we can see here, Google prefers sites that sites are trusted and certified. So it's not only the Google, but other search engine they also prefer secure site and they trust on that. So just will be saying the example of this HTTP and HTTPS. So here we can see this is a website, right? So here one log image we can see. So that means SSL certificate is enabled for this site. That means this site is totally secure and safe, right? Whereas, whereas we'll see another website. So here this is another website we can see, and here we can see it is written not secure, right? So for taking that extra protection, for taking that extra uh, security for your website, so you have to purchase SSL certificate, and that SSL certificate directly you can integrate with your website.